Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. And today, yes, we got a double dose for you. Hope you enjoyed the first batch of watch faces. Know you're going to enjoy the second batch of watch faces. And with that, we do have an announcement to make of the Pappy watch face winners. And with that, let's go ahead and dive right off into it. Winner number 1 is going to be Steve Jordan. Number 2 is going to be Bullet Ting. Number 3 is going to be Sultano Arfran, if I said that right. And number 4 is going to be Bob Serrera. Now, I'm going to leave my email down at the bottom of the screen, and I'm going to leave it in the description box. Make sure you email me so I can send you your free watch face code. And again, congratulations. And with that, let's kick this review off now. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today I got a Boss watch face, or can I call it an app? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to call it an app because that's pretty much what it is, and or wallpapers, right? So look, this is 1,000 plus gear faces. That's the name of the app. And you get 1,000 watch faces within this app that you can play with, and it is free. Now, this pretty much came from Android Wear, right? And with Android Wear, you're able to customize a little bit more because it's been on Android Wear for quite a while. Here on the Gear 3, you're not able to customize it to that degree. Like, for instance, you see where you got the analog look, right? It doesn't give you the analog look. I've searched, I went in and out of this watch face app, and I couldn't find a way to get this on here. If you found it, please hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know so I can get it and share with other people. Okay, with that being said, I think this is an awesome app, but the first thing you must do is download it on your Gear 3 out of the Gear Manager store. Secondly, you need to go and download the companion app as well, right, out of the Google Play Store. So once you do that, you need to be mindful though, first of all, is that they got 2 of them. They got one for Android Wear and they got one for the Gear 3. Now, the one for the Gear 3 is called 1,000 plus gear faces. Just make sure you're mindful that you're downloading the right one, or else it will not work. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead, let's check out this watch face app that I think is pretty cool, that I think you should download. First of all, you get so many different watch faces, but we're going to go through the menu, and you have so many different categories you can go into: abstract, birds, cats, Christmas, clip art, love. I mean, there's so many different backgrounds that you're going to be able to put on this watch face. Now, the digital time that you're going to get with this stays the same. There's no customization to it. You can't move it. So sometimes it'll blend into the color or design that you're going to have as a background and or wallpaper, right? But it's still cool. So let's go ahead. Let's check some of them out. Now, we're going to start from the beginning. Abstract. Abstract is really nice. You got so many different ones that you could choose from. I mean, tons and tons to customize with whatever it is you're wearing for that day, and or however you're feeling. You got birds, you got cats, if you're into cats. You got Christmas, so when Christmas come back around, you got many different watch faces to put on Christmas. And one of the things I wish that you can do is get rid of the time and just have wallpaper. But you got dogs, you got flowers, you got granite, and if you're feeling some type of way in the day, here's some inspiration quotes within the background of your watch face. Very nice. They got so many different ones to choose from. Then they have life. Just go through, just check them all out. I mean, 1,000 watch faces. You got music, nature, occasion. But let's go ahead, let's check some of these out on the watch face, well, the Gear 3 itself. Let's do that. All right, you all, let's go ahead. Let's check some of the watch faces out on the actual watch, right? Now, right now, the one you're looking at is Space. This one looks awesome. I love this one. And you have so many different ones that you can go through in Space. Depending on which one you like, just go ahead and choose one. We're going to cycle through quite a few of these watch faces so you can get an idea of what it's going to look like when you get it. I think this is really, really awesome. Again, I wish that in some of the backgrounds that you have so far as the watch faces and or wallpaper, if you want to call it, I wish that you can take away the time or at least relocate the time of where it's going to appear. Okay, let's check out some abstract. Now, some of the abstract that I like, I mean, remember, they have tons of them, and sometimes you may have to tap twice on on a watch face in order for it to go through. But other than that, it goes through pretty quickly. All you got to do is just cycle through, find the ones that you like, and just go ahead, check it out. Now, these are birds that I thought was pretty cool. Got an eagle, got a regular bird here. You have so many different birds. If you're a cat lover, they got cats. Look at the clarity on this one, considering that Super AMOLED display is pretty much awesome. This is the way it's going to look on your watch face. I'm telling you, this is definitely worth the download, considering that it's free. Now, the only thing that I don't like is like when you go into the clip art. Because the clip art is so white, and most of the backgrounds of all of them are, except for an occasion of a few, you can't see the digital time, so that's a bad deal on that one. That's why I wish that we were able to have analog just like you do with the Android Wear 1000 watch faces. But, you know, for other backgrounds, it'll look pretty good. I mean, you got flowers for ladies who are into flower, and or guys if you're into flowers. You got roses, you got daisies. I mean, you got all different type of flower looks that you can tap into. And then you get granted, if you're just into color, just go ahead, slap in your color. But I wish that it had an option for the analog look. That would have been cool with a background that looks like this. Let's take a look at some inspiration ones. Now, the inspirational ones look pretty nice. Like, what about this one? I mean, really, once you see this in person, the AMOLED is really going to show off a lot of these different watch faces and or a geared wallpaper. But I think they look pretty amazing. I mean, just go through, take a look at it. Again, they're free. This one here is Life. Let's take a look at Life real quick. I just wanted to cycle through some of the ones so you can get an idea of what you're in for when you download this free watch face. And hopefully, again, they would update this to give us an opportunity to have the analog look. And I don't know how long that's going to take, but I still think it's a good deal considering. And this is music. Some of the things that you can download if you're into music and you want to slap this on your watch face for the day. Let's see, this one is Notes. It's not a bad look at all. And then, of course, you got nature. You can't get away without having nature on your watch face and or background, depending on where you are or what type of day is going on. Like maybe it's raining. You know, you got lightning in the background. You got occasions as well. So just cycle through. I mean, just check it out. Birthdays. I'm telling you, the watch face is definitely awesome. I think it's pretty cool. Here go birthdays. Let's check out love. Valentine's Day is already gone, so Be Mine. Be Mine wouldn't be a good one, but maybe you're into love. Maybe this is for the ladies. Who knows, right? And seasons. I like this one. Just wanted to cycle through some of the ones that I thought looked pretty awesome. What about that one? It's not bad. They got crazy old looking smiley faces. Check this one out. Not bad, right? I mean, not bad at all. My watch time now, but yeah, I think these are pretty cool. I think they're pretty slick. Let me see if I can get you another look. There you go. And then you got space. We checked out space already. And again, these are some of the ones that you want to get. I think they're pretty awesome. I say download it. I say give it a shot. Just download it. You got exercising. Like I like this one. This is yoga. So you got so many different ones you can choose from. And then you got wild animals, tigers, lions, and bears. Oh my, right? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I know it was really, really long. I just wanted to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download the 1000 plus gear faces, which I think are awesome, especially considering that it's free. Check this out in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, subscribe to my channel. And again, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.